the moments that this was all unfolding.
Well,
They'll get, whoever it was, I am going to say pretty categorically, despite my just saying that we should be cautious, that they'll get them. You know, the division of duties in a situation like this, a lot goes to the locals. It'll be the state cops and the local cops who are involved in securing the area and the scene. They know that. They have the personnel. They will have been reacting here. The service is going to protect the body. The cops are going to do the investigation on the scene immediately. They will have flooded that area. There will be witnesses there pointing them out. I feel fairly sure that before nightfall tonight, if not already, they're going to know who did this and that person will be in custody. Hopefully there'll be no further injury to anybody.
Paul, we so appreciate your time. If you'll stay close, I want to bring in Britt Hume with us.